Yo, welcome back. If you're still updating n8n on Hostinger through SSH and Docker commands, stop. There's a button for that now. Yeah, an actual button. Let me show you. n8n ships updates constantly. Security patches, bug fixes, new nodes. If you're 2 or 3 months behind, you're not just missing features. You're running an outdated instance with known bugs already fixed in newer versions. Good news? Hostinger made this stupid simple. Let's go. Log into your hPanel, go to your VPS, and open Docker Manager from the sidebar. This is where every container running on your server lives, n8n included. Find your n8n project in the list, click the 3 dots, and hit Update. That's it. That's the whole trick. No terminal, no typing Docker compose poll, none of that. Hostinger pulls the latest image, restarts your container, and keeps your workflows and credentials exactly where they were. Give it a couple minutes. Once it's back up, open your n8n editor. Check settings, about, confirm the version number actually changed. Takes 5 seconds, and now you know it worked instead of just hoping it did. Now, this button makes updating easy. It doesn't make hosting n8n effort-free. You're still the one checking for updates, still the one dealing with it if something breaks, still the one paying for a VPS just to run one app. If you'd rather not be your own sysadmin, that's literally what n8n LaunchPad is for. Pre-deployed n8n instances, updates, and backups handled for you, starting at $6 a month. Links in the description. Now, go build something.